Hi everyone, welcome back. This week we're gonna do yoga strength. So we're gonna work for 45 seconds with a 10-second rest. We're gonna add some movement to these yoga poses and you're gonna work every part of your body. So let's get started. So we're gonna do, our first move is a warm up. We're gonna come to seated staff here, and then you're gonna press back into a plow. So take it gently. Your feet don't have to come all the way up and overhead at the beginning. So just warm it up because we're getting the spine warmed up. If you can start to take it over, push into the floor, chest comes forward, squeeze, shoulders back. Here. Warming up all along our spine. Bend the knees if you like. So whatever feels good to warm it up. Feel like you can almost lift the hips off the floor as you press into the floor. All right, so come on up. We're gonna come into goddess pose, add a little high intensity to it with an option to hop. So cactus arms, goddess pose, and you can either just press up or you can actually hop it. Here, squeeze elbows back. There. Push into the outside of the feet when you land. Pull the knees back behind you. Get you warmed up right away. 15 seconds. Get in there. Perfect. Okay, just give your legs a little shake. We're gonna come into triangle pose. So you can take your foot out. You can always bend this knee a little bit. Come down into it. And then exhale, reach arms forward, open them up. So options to be here. Options to support on the forearm too. Harder version right here. It's good. Perfect. Good back shoulder work. Legs, of course. The chest wide, open it up. And again. Perfect, so easy out of the pose. Foot turns in, other one turns out. Soften the knee if you like. Here we go, hip away from you. Open the arms, squeeze. Exhale there, reach long. Good. Try to tuck that bottom hip underneath you to activate your glute. Keeping it going. And then eventually try to breathe both in and out through the nose. You may want to start by just breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, but eventually we get into that yogic breath. Perfect. All right, take it up. We're gonna come into a balance with some leg work. So tree pose, heel can be at the ankle or up high. Here we go. Hold here, extend the leg, out and in. Good. Try to keep hips level. Strong supporting leg, focus, maybe about 8 feet in front of you on the floor. Hold here, you can do it. Shoulders down and back. Almost there. Great. Okay, release it. Spread the toes, widen the foot, bigger base of support, hips level, knee out. It can be high, lower, hands to prayer. And down. Lengthen all through the supporting side. Good. And then your gaze can be down at the floor, out in front. Almost. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to come into wide angle, forward fold. So hinge from your hips, lengthen the hips back, chest forward. Take the arms out, thumbs up, and pulse it. So bend the knees if you need to, if it's hurting your back. Otherwise, extend, hips draw back, lower ribs in, squeeze. Keep the core tight. Great for the back. Perfect. So you can lower that, and then we're going to come down to the floor. So we're going to come into kneeling warrior here, and then you're going to switch the legs, take it up, down, and switch. High lunge. Strong legs. You can always put the back knee down. Almost there. Perfect. From here, we're going to come into yoga push-ups. So we're going to go through downward dog, forward into a tricep push-up, and then press back. So here, forward, you can drop your knees, push up, reverse chaturanga, and back. So you can always come here, elbows draw by the ribs, and back. Ripple forward. Inhale, exhale, and exhale back. Hug the belly to the back. Squeeze your core. Perfect. Okay, take it up. So we're going to do a crane with a burpee. So it can be just here, or you're going to extend, leg up, back. You can stay single leg or both down, hop it out, and switch. So right into the balance here, whoop, and back. So the harder version, if you stay on one leg, otherwise bring both feet together. And there, whoop. And back. So really firing up the stabilizer muscles, help with balance right away coming into it. There you go. Woo, perfect. Okay, so come down to the floor, bound angle, a little bit of a stretch to a boat. So here, and then we're gonna extend out. And then back here, forward, boat. And if you want, you can try to maybe balance, maybe, and then out. Here. Shoulders draw back, out. And out. Keep it going. And out. Okay, perfect. So we'll do one more little ab exercise. This isn't yoga, but I like it. We're gonna do the bicycle. So you're gonna extend here. Just a little core strength to end. Bicycle. Last few seconds. Okay, fantastic. Thanks so much for joining me for another workout. Have a great week, and we'll see you next week.